Welcome back to Car Talk. Today we don't have any new car or motorcycle as you can see. What we have today with us is a 7-year-old Chevrolet Beat, and we are going to give it a makeover. Now, what is the simplest way to give a car a makeover? In my opinion, it is the seat covers. Since this car is driven by my mother who is an elderly, and during this COVID times I did not want to give this car to any external car accessory shop, we have ordered something online and it has arrived in this massive box. So these are the seat covers from Autofoam as you can read here, and I'm going to install this in this 7-year-old Chevrolet Beat to show you how it looks after that and to give you a short review of the seat covers. So this is what you get inside this box, and it has obviously got all the seat covers for the car and all the belts, velcros and hooks that you require to install these seat covers inside the car. So we are going to install these seat covers in this Beat. We will remove the old seat covers first and install these to show you how it looks. So guys, we are starting with the driver's seat. Talking about the seat cover itself, it comes with a lot of pockets at the rear side, and it comes with the easy fit tag which shows that you can install it at the home. So we will show you how to install it. So simply just put the seat cover above the front seat. We have removed the headrests first, and you get such clips on the side which you can fasten on both the sides, and then these straps go under the seat to the rear. And now to complete the installation, you just need to wrap these straps from the behind, which I will show you in a bit. So you get a lot of these hooks. These are multi-purpose hooks, and you just need to take one of them out to fasten these straps and to tie the front from the rear. So you just look for this strap here, put it inside the hook, and do it similarly this way. So this is fastened and secure. So now the upper part, it's complete. We will wrap the headrest in this dedicated cover. Since these are universal seat cover guys, so you don't get exact size of the seats. So they will send you a size that will fit almost every other car in this segment, and that's why they are not very snug fitting. However, they do the job quite well. And that's it, the headrest is ready. We will just tilt the seat a little to make space for the headrest, and we will put it here, and we are good to go. So there are chains around here to close the gaps, and this is how the back seat will look after you install the Autofoam seat covers. So for the seat covers, you get two hooks in the front which you can position in the lower part, and for the rear you get similar straps which you will have to strap with the upper cover. So just like the front seat covers, you get rear seat covers. They are a bit different, but the procedure to install the seat covers are the same. You get a lot of velcros and hooks. We have already installed this one by folding like this and strapping both the velcros and straps. So we will install all of that and we will show you how it feels to drive this car with the new seat covers. So guys, you saw that we took only 25 to 30 minutes to install these seat covers, and if you want to do it quicker, you can always use an external help, someone from your family. Apart from that, a few highlights about these seat covers. Autofoam says that these seat covers are compatible with any car that have side airbags which are installed in the seat itself. So if you have a car with a side airbags, you can definitely order these seat covers and install them at home. Also, if you have a car which have front ventilated seats, Autofoam offers the seat covers with perforation, so you will not require to do anything to them. You just need to install the seat covers and they will be compatible with your ventilated seats as well. Now these are the art leather seat covers with high density foam which keeps you in place, and these are exceptionally comfortable as well. Since they come only in universal sizes, yes, the fit and the snug fitting is not up to the mark, but they will do the job very well. And if you want to do it at home, there is no other way, no better way to do it than these Autofoam seat covers. So the price of these seat covers are between 6,000 and 9,000 depending on the car. And since you have seen that I have installed this in a 7-year-old discontinued Beat, you will get this seat covers for any of the cars that you want. They have a wide range of that. You can order them online at the official Autofoam website and also get it on the Amazon.in. Apart from that, there are several stores across the country from where you can get these seat covers as well. So the final conclusion, guys, yes, they don't fit exceptionally well as you can get them from outside from a car accessory shop, but they do the job pretty well. They are very comfortable as well. And the best part is you don't have to go outside to get them installed. So get it, guys. Go to the autofoam.com and browse whatever colors you want for your car seat covers.